This is part 4 of rebuilding a Stihl MS 311. I got most of the gasket all cleaned off. Now I gotta get the piston off, and then I can replace the piston and get everything finished, cleaned up, and put back together. So first off, I'm gonna get this little snap ring out of here. I got the snap ring off right there. I have this little punch, and I put it in this back side here, because this is the side I took the snap ring off of. I've got the punch in there, and then I have a little ratchet here, just so I don't hit it too hard. It's moving, I just don't want it to fly out and get messed up or bent. Almost. There we go, got it. Since I have the piston off now, I'm gonna open up the new parts. Try not to get them dirty. Oopsie. Here's the new piston. I got the piston here and the piston rings in here. And when you put these piston rings on, there's a little pin on the piston, and this ring has a taper to it that fits on that, around that little dowel. So I gotta do the same thing with the bottom one. Now I'm going to swap the decompression valve over and install the spark plug.